birth to a beautiful young lady. Now, let us start the people who are most precious to Ariana. Ladies and gentlemen, may we call on the family of Ariana, the mother, the papa. Please come forward here. The mama, who is with Ariana now, Ariana is Ariano.
The sister.
Of course, the sister.
Amoy tayo ba ng iluhan? Amoy? Ay, puro Diyos. Amoy kaka.
Also for some of the visita, the love of family will always be God's greatest blessing. Sabi nga nila, it's like you can have 7 friends, classmates, and social circles. But there is only one family.
Nawala yung signal ko. Nawala yung signal ko. Wakan mo, be.
Sino man na nagunit mo ka?
Sino bang, asan ba ito lalagay?
For all the family, friends, relatives who are going to witness the special 7th birthday of our little lady, Ariana. Lord, we offer you Ariana to be always a good girl, a good daughter, and